fun time in the snow. Put them in the snow.
Do you need to back up under the roof so you're not
No.
in the snow?
Reporting live from Park Court Apartments, it's Kimmy. Kimmy, tell us about this horrible snowstorm.
Well, Jim, thank you for being here live on location. As you can see, we have a significant amount of snow and there's not a whole lot of movement anywhere. We have not been plowed out, and so today is a good day to go sled riding and build your favorite snowman. Maybe even a snow family, because we've got plenty of snow to do that.
Thank you, Kimmy.
You're welcome.